The Aula F108 mechanical keyboard presents a compelling option for both gamers and professionals seeking a reliable and customizable typing experience. With its 100% layout and wireless capabilities, this keyboard is designed to deliver both functionality and aesthetic appeal, particularly with its vibrant Rgb backlighting. In terms of performance, the Aula F108 excels with its mechanical switches that provide tactile feedback, enhancing the overall typing experience. The wireless Bluetooth connectivity ensures freedom of movement, making it suitable for various setups, whether at a desk or on the go. The Rgb backlighting is not just visually appealing, it also offers a range of customization options, allowing users to choose their preferred lighting effects to suit their mood or environment. This keyboard is ideal for a variety of use cases. Gamers will appreciate its responsiveness and the satisfying click of the mechanical switches during intense gaming sessions. For professionals, the Aula F108 serves as a dependable tool for extended typing tasks, providing comfort and efficiency. Additionally, its wireless feature makes it convenient for those who prefer a clutter-free workspace. The design of the Aula F108 is both sleek and functional, with a sturdy build that promises durability. Usability is enhanced by its straightforward setup process and intuitive controls, ensuring that users can easily switch between wired and wireless modes. The overall reliability of the keyboard is commendable, offering consistent performance during both casual use and demanding tasks. In summary, the Aula F108 mechanical keyboard stands out as a versatile and stylish choice for users who value both performance and aesthetics. Its combination of a custom layout, wireless functionality, and customizable Rgb backlighting makes it a noteworthy addition for anyone looking to elevate their typing or gaming experience.